So YouTube, gotta show y'all what kind of destruction 612s do to your car. I don't know if you can see that, but snap it right off. Completely off. So much pressure pushing up on the trunk. Just advise anybody, if you're going to build a custom box, do not do this setup right here. Because all it does is push up on the trunk, and it causes a lot of pressure and a lot of damage. And you just end up, like me, with a broken trunk. So, I'll let you know, got the 6 Pioneer Champion Series, 14 apiece, with a max 3000 RMS, half ohm stable. Got everything ran parallel. No, excuse that. Yeah, they read parallel out to about 1.5 or half an ohm stable. Just a lot of damage, lots of it.